subtle, but your brain picks up on it. And there you have it, folks. The incredible world of miniatures in Wes Anderson's films. It's crazy to think about how these tiny handcrafted sets play such a huge role in creating the unique visual style we all know and love. From the Grand Budapest Hotel to Isle of Dogs, these miniatures aren't just cool props. They're an integral part of Anderson's storytelling toolkit. They allow him to create these perfectly controlled, visually stunning worlds that are just and the amount of skill, patience, and sheer artistry that goes into creating these miniatures, mind-blowing. It's old-school craftsmanship meeting cutting-edge filmmaking, and the result is pure movie magic. So, next time you're watching a Wes Anderson flick, keep an eye out for these miniature marvels. Trust me, once you start noticing them, you'll be amazed at how much they add to the film. All right, that's it for this deep dive into Wes Anderson's miniature madness. If you enjoyed this, smash that like button and let us know in the comments which Wes Anderson miniature is your favorite. Until next time, keep it real, even when it's really, really small.